the rhythm, catch the vibe. What's good? What's good, my people? What's good, everyone? What's good, my class? Hey, people, what's good? Tell me. Tell me. Don't forget, Daniel is around. Trading with Daniel, of course, is around. Hey, let's burn this fire. Let's burn this building up. Let's see how the day goes. Anyway, hi guys, how are you? Thanks for joining in. For those who are coming in right now, I'm already seeing Uzu, Emmanuel, Kim, Hassan, Porto. Yes. Hey guys, how is your day? Emmanuel is saying the market was favorable today. That's right. The market was very favorable today, guys. And hey, this calls for a $1 challenge. As we say, Cameroon, what's good, brother? How are you doing, brother? How are you doing? Hope you're doing fine, Yes, $1 challenge, of course. Today, we're going to enter the $1 challenge. As we know how it goes down in the challenge, it's going to be 100% full risk, Even though I don't advise people to go a full risk in their account. That is how you can maintain yourself, your goals, by having risk management, And the market has been good, not so bad. If I can rate it, it has been at a level of, let's say, at around 7 out of 10 or 8 out of 10. Today, that's how it was. And I felt good, actually. It was really nice. I felt good. And I've been in the currency pairs. Today. Chinese yen. Anyway, let's go to our commodities and see how they're doing. Let's start with the Brent oil. Wow. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Looks like Porto and Cameroon didn't visit their girls today. Manuel has gifts on everyone. Bless up, guys. Bless up. Hope you're all ready. And let us put back this in my safe. Let me put this back in my safe. Go for the $1. The $1 billion boys in the building, of course. We are the $1 billion crew, and we are called the $1 billion club. We are in the same club, guys. That is the goal. Anyway, tell me, how are your trades doing, and how is everyone doing in their trades? How are your goals? Are you guys meeting your goals? Are you guys meeting your daily goals in trading? Tell me. I want to know something. Are you guys meeting your daily goals in trading, like the $100 or $200 or above? I don't know. The Brent oil. Anyway, let's go for the challenge. The Brent oil. $1. seconds. 15 seconds time frame, 5 seconds candle structures, Brent oil, Bollinger Bands, and the oscillator. That's what we in. Mix that and get the Daniel super trending strategy, The goals are meeting me. It's not you meeting the goals, but the goals are meeting you. Hey, more favorable if the goals are also meeting you. Like you're becoming the boss of the market. Just focus on being consistent and then scale. Yeah, consistency pays out very good. Just be consistent and that's at least sacrifice a day, sacrifice an hour or 2 hours in a day. Look at your charts and see how they're doing. Don't look at the charts for full day because you won't get it. It's like when you're reading for something, let's say like a test or a coursework, and then you're reading that book for the whole day. I'm telling you, you won't get anything. You don't grasp anything, you know. But if you only sacrifice only 2 hours of your time and go for that reading, I'm telling you, get something. And let's go for the challenge. Let's go for the challenge. Right now, I'm seeing our buyers coming back in the market. Let's see how they're doing this. Okay, that's a nice one. Let's go for the first attempt right here. Wow, beautiful. 1.88. Sometimes they just start at the chart and without taking any trades, just to study the movement of the momentum too. It's better to, that's a very good habit. It's better to just look at the charts and know how they're doing than trading what you don't know, you know. Just come in, look at the charts, see how they're moving, sign out. Come back the same day, like that. Right? What you're doing is what you're getting your head getting used to the charts. You know how the charts react in a day, that period of time, and then you're gonna find out that you're gonna find a loop whereby there's that period of time in a day where the charts act the same, like they do that at least consecutively. That's what we call you're finding a loop in the market. You know, you're finding a small loop, a small glitch, and that glitch will give you the goal that you want. So it's very good for you to look at the charts and you know. Anyway, let's log in. Welcome everyone who's just joining in right now. Thank you for joining in. We're going in right now with the $1 challenge. And the target is gonna be simple, 40K only. That's gonna be the challenge. The target is gonna be simple target. Yes, it's gonna be a simple target. Come on, baby, hit. Anyway, it's not a bad start. Market does that a lot. Let's go again. I think we had just started, so no bad blood. I'm seeing crazy manipulation in this packet, guys. Crazy manipulation in this trend. And if you see it's moving upwards, look at the way it's moving, you know. Okay, yeah, it comes. Let's go with it. Let's short it right again. Let's short it. Come on, beautiful. Drop it, baby. Nice. Let's go again. What you're seeing right now is that the price is trying to come back where it's at the bottom. And here, the good thing we shall do is continue shorting with the price. So let me show the price right there. Let me show it again. Because if you look at this, it's trying to cover the gap that it made earlier in here, somewhere here at the bottoms. Okay, here it goes. Beautiful. Here it goes. And if you look at my bottom indicator, it's also giving me the same. Nice. That's nice. That's nice. Let me see. Let me call that again. Full risk. Okay, buyers are coming back in stronger. Oh, hold on, I'm seeing something here. Good, let's go. Your stream downloaded not working. What's why? I don't know why. Why is it? Why is it not working? Beautiful. 6. Full risk mode. Let's go. Target gonna be simple. 40K. That's the target. It's gonna be a simple target. And remember, whenever we take a hit, we try again. No giving up until we make it to the target, guys. You know, that's the target of the day. Never we take a hit, no giving up. Just continue pushing forward until we make our targets. That is a mindset in this class, you know. Oh, yeah. Allah. 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 Beautiful confirmation right there. If you see that was a beautiful confirmation right here. I hope it doesn't get pulled back. Come on. Don't pull that back. Come on. Keep on climbing. Only 1 second. I only want 1 second. Wait, what happened? What happened? What happened? Hold on. What happened? Am I becoming blind? Like, what the fuck happened, guys? What the fuck happened? Was I just taken out by the market? Well, there was a ghost right there. That's what we call a ghost. Bro, what the fuck? What the actual fuck? Anyway, it's okay. Let me come again. No problem. Let me try again. No problem. Market, please don't do shitty things on me. I've just begun, you know. Don't do shitty things now here. Don't do shitty things, market. I've just begun, okay? Please be careful. One. It's like the market got eyes, bro. I know. It's like the market got eyes, bro. Like, can't believe it. I'm flabbergasted. I'm shocked. I'm shocked. Anyway. Daniel is as confused as fuck, bro. You want to get this? Okay, let's go. I told you guys in the beginning that the market is bad. Uzo, be strong, brother. Don't be strong. We have to push this out. Something is wrong with Brent oil, guys. Something is wrong with Brent oil. Something is wrong with Brent oil. Let me fuck out. Let me get the fuck out of Brent oil. Let me get the fuck out of Brent oil before things stand up on me. Actually, silver is also not looking good. Let's go for at least gold. Let's go for gold. Let's go for gold. Let's go for gold OTC. Yeah, the orange guy today had some good news. Of course, no matter what the market is today, no matter what the market is happening today, we have to milk it. This is a good thing here. We have to milk the market. No matter how the market is moving in today, no matter how crazy it becomes, we have to milk it. This is the goal. That's how it's supposed to be, you know? Nice. We're on track now. We're on track with the gold. Let's continue with the gold OTC. We're on track. There was a news that the orange guy agreed to sign the peace deal, and that's why the gold bumped in today. True. But again, that guy is crazy. That guy is manipulating the market too. You know, after him agreeing to sign the peace deal, okay, he will say it in the morning. By the evening comes in, you hear that missiles are being struck in the east, and you'll be like, bro, like now when is that peace deal going to come in effect? You know, so he's just playing around in the market right now. He's playing around in the market, you know, and whenever he does that, people are getting crashed out. You know, more so in the cryptocurrency, the crypto zones. You know, people are getting crashed out. So right now we're having crazy things with the orange guy, and he's having out crazy stuff, and we can't handle any more trades at this time. So at the moment, gold is just dropping, but again it pumps back to let's say like 4.4, and then it will drop down again to 4.1. So he's crazy. He's really crazy. Da la 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 da da la 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 la. La, la, la. So many unnecessary pullbacks and risks. Oh, you know. Now let's check that. There was a retest there. You know, I put my there was a retest. So there are so many in here. We're having retests in here. We're having so many pullbacks. So for the guys in Forex, I don't know, for the guys in Forex, I'm really sorry for the guys in Forex right now. They're sweating because you set your stop loss, let's say below, let's say like below something like at around 20 pips, or and that will happen a retest and your stop loss is out. So market today is crazy, and that is all because of the orange guy having crazy news, you know. So let's continue with the uptrend here. That's all about the orange guy having crazy news. Beautiful, 34. Let's continue. That the guys in Forex milked it so bad because of the pump today. Yes, there was a pump today, and most of the guys came out nice. More so the motivational speakers, I call them. They make something, they will come out on live. They be like, yeah, yo. Yeah, guess what? Guess what? God gave us something, you know. CPI just made it out. So good evening, brother Daniel. Good evening, how are you? Thanks for joining in. Hope you're doing good. How is your day? You are in here, we are in here, the $1 challenge. We're trying to take it out to 60k, 40k, sorry. Thanks for joining in, guys. You know, it's really giving good class modes, you know. I also love a class that is simple, as long as you're getting what you're studying, you know. Beautiful, let's go again. And it's still dropping downwards. So I'm gonna make another. Let me see. Hold on, let me see. Oh, I'm seeing buy is coming back. Hold on. We might be manipulated out. Might get manipulated out. So let's wait and see. Hold on. Because the way the bottom indicator is moving is trying to bounce back up. Yep, there's a pullback there, right there. Nice. There's a pullback. And I saw that in the bottom coming in. Let's wait and see if that there is a change in direction. Let's wait and see if there is a change in direction. And once we see it, we confirm we go. Okay. Right now, bands are touching. Good. Price is touching the bands. Okay. Let's go right here. Because there's a change in the bottom indicator, giving us a good direction here. So let's see our direction too. Let's go. Oh, someone is saying the market be flatting and kissing stop losses today. I know. That's what you call retest. You know, the market will go up and then all of a sudden you get that long fucking wick that touches the stop loss. Dang! And the stop loss is out. And you're out of the market. You'll be like, hey, I've lost. Okay, some you feel like, let's say that someone is having $50 account. And they have lost almost, stop loss has lost almost like $10, you know? And then they have to beginning again. So all this is happening because market is having crazy modes and it's playing out crazy. It's trying to test out traders and see if you're really a trader, you know? Some don't use stop losses. Okay, I have a question here, guys. I have a question. Using a stop loss and without a stop loss, what is better? Tell me. Using a stop loss or without a stop loss in Forex, what is better? Tell me. Someone tell me about that. That was a manipulation. Let's continue doing the downtrend. Which is more riskier? A stop loss or without a stop loss? Which is more riskier? Cameron is saying stop loss, bro. Stop loss is better. All it takes is one news event and it's over. And when it touches, it spikes up to the same direction you want it to go, and then you blame the village people. Exactly, you know, when a spike comes in, touches a stop loss, you're out, and then to go back again to your same direction that wanted you to go. Oh my god! And then you're seeing your TP being taken out. You're like, oh my god, the village people are on me. You know, sometimes using a stop loss can save you, and sometimes you can be taken out. Okay, this is how I say it. A stop loss, of course, you might get a retest there, and the market will touch it, and then all of a sudden it bounces back to the original where it's supposed to go, and your stop loss takes you out. You know, but the loss will only be like, let's say, like $10 to $20. So for someone who's having a big account, let's say like 1K big account, like 1K account. But for someone who's having a 1K account, you don't have to go. The moment you go in the trade without a stop loss, stay on the chart. The moment you're seeing that you're losing more than $20 or more than 30, automatically go out. Just manually exit, you know. But most of the traders that are big there, some of them don't use stop losses. They just put a trade and they put their take profit. Because they know there's what we call a retest in the market. The market is going to come back down, and all of a sudden it's going to happen a pullback. So it will originally go to the same direction where it's supposed to go. And he has lost, let's say, like $30 to $100. He has lost $100, but he knows that goal, the target. The market is going to go down and hit, and then all of a sudden it's going to come back to the original price, the original direction it's supposed to go. So those are risk takers. Those are crazy risk takers. But that's not all of a sudden it works out nice, you know. Those are risk takers. You don't really think that someone doesn't want you to succeed in the market. Yeah, true. Cameron is saying you just re-enter. Of course, when you're taking out the stop loss and you see the direction is still moving forward, just make a re-entry and come again, you know. Just enter the market and come again. La la la, la la la. This is a choppy uptrend. At the moment you think that the market is deliberately watching you, that's called coming from Craig Paco. What's the name is that? He's saying at the moment you think the market is deliberately watching you. Yes, true. At the moment you also think the market is watching you, like the market is watching whatever move you're going in. And this scares a lot of traders. Not all traders. Me too, it scares me, you know. I also get scared. I'm like, hey, is the market trying to tease me? Is the market bullying me right now? Like, there's a moment whereby you come in and think that your strategy is not even working. And it's all because the market is trying to, you know, test and see how you're doing in your wallet. Daniel's brother is right. That's right, Emmanuel. Bella, how can I join the contest today? The link is right down in the description for you. Those who want to join the contest, the link is right down in the description. Or in my bio app in YouTube. As long as you don't forget to attach your wallet. Don't forget to attach your wallet and number of attempts. Woo, that was close. Ain't it nice? That was close. Let's go again. 400. Now we're in a good trend here. We're in a good trend, you know. The price is dropping right here. Let me go with the price right down here, the downtrend. Let's go. Looks crazy though. I'm seeing small wicks in there. A little bit of rejections, but let's continue with the market and see. Come on, don't bounce it out. Don't tell me it's out. Oh, beautiful, nice, 800. Let's go again. Daniel, I've noticed sometimes you go against the indicators. Why is it that I've never gone against the indicator, Mr. Hassan? I've never. I always follow my indicators. First, I'll look at my bottom and see that that's the direction that I'm going through, you know? And then I'll confirm inside the bands. So I've never gone against my indicators. But it's just the market that goes against me. And I'm like, dang, you know? So like being attentive in class, doing all the work that is possible, and then all of a sudden the teacher doesn't even read through your answers. It just gives you a big red line, you know? He got that perfectly. Thank you, Lily. Thank you, Lily. Thank you, Lily. What does inside the band mean? Yes, I mean this. Are you seeing the green middle line? That's the inside band. That's the middle band, you know? So I'm going to see price touching the upper band. One. Second, price coming at us. Okay, good. Good confirmation right here, of course. And then we go again the trade. We end our trade, you know? That's a good confirmation right here. Unless we get a pullback, which I don't want to happen. Come on. Which I don't want to happen. Or unless I get a fucking rejection there or a weak, strong. Beautiful. 2K. Let's go. It was a nice one. I think you've seen that. What's the name? It's called Hassan. I think you've seen that. I get a confirmation inside the bands and outside the bands, and then I'll see where the price is moving. That's why I tell you to go through the candlestick structure, because the candlesticks will tell you how the price reacts inside the bands and outside the bands, you know. And then with that, I also confirm that with my direction in the bottom indicator, which is the oscillator. I confirm the direction and see where the direction is going, you know. And now that's how I'll take inside my trade. That's what I'll do my trade. That's why I love binary options. Nice. Let's go. Come on. Oh my days. Come on. Let's go. I've risked that. I've really gone in a risky trade right there. But anyway, it's giving me good indications. It's giving good indications there. Okay, it's giving good indications. Come on. Beautiful. 5K. We're in a good trend here, guys. We're in a good trend here. We're in a good trend. I'm seeing my future is bright. I can see the trend that we're on a good track. Let's go. Let's go again. Is this beginner friendly, Daniel? I'm nervous. Yes, I must fail. Yes, beginner trading guidance is beginner friendly, though, as long as you follow what is needed. Beginner friendly, you know. As long as you follow what is needed, yeah. As long as you follow what is needed, then you're gonna be good. Don't be scared. That's why demo accounts are open for everyone. Demo accounts are there for everyone to trade and try out their strategies. Yeah. Come on, show me something here. Show me something, baby. Okay, I'm seeing our price is dropping down here. And if you look at my bottom indicator, it's also changing direction. So let's hit it right here. Come on, let's hit it. Of course, why not? Let's hit it. Look at the way the bottom indicator is dropping downwards, guys. That's what we call a very good confirmation at your bottom, because it's giving you nice 10K. I want to see some and have applause. We have reached 10K. Good. Blessed, can you please remove your picture so that you can see the bottom indicator? Okay, it's right there. I think you're seeing. I think you're seeing the way the direction changes in the bottom, you know. So it's a very good movement there. It will give you a good movement, and you confirm that movement inside your bands and see, is it right? You know, is it right? And the moment it's right, you're gonna know when to enter, of course. Anyway, we've reached 10K. And over applause. 10K. Let's go. Let's go for 40. That's our target, guys. 40K. Of course, we have to be careful here because we want to make it out nice and beautiful. Ooh, whoa. What is this? What is this? The levels are changing. Oversold is in, but not yet. Okay, direction is changing. Have you seen that? Direction is changing in the bands plus the oscillator. Let's go. Direction is changing. Come on. Drop it, love. Drop it. Come on. Cameroon. Policia. Tennessee Trooper is out on the house. Guys, Cameroon is a Tennessee Trooper. So if you're on the highway and you're crossing through Tennessee, don't forget to see a Mustang. The moment you see a Mustang on your ass, run. But if you don't have a good car to run against a Mustang, please don't go. Don't bother. The Mustang might take you out. I've never gone into a chase with a trooper, but I would love a trooper to go on my ass, like when I'm on the highway and I see a trooper coming in on my side mirror. I would love to see that in the near future. Though I know I'm still lucky. I haven't got any trooper on my ass. 2 to go. True, Emmanuel. 2 to go. Only 2 trades to go now. You know. 40K, we are coming, baby. 40K, we are coming. How many confirmations are enough to make a trade? Well, you don't need a lot. Just have to know where the price is going, the direction, and change the direction. Now, first confirmation here. Let me show you. Are you seeing here? Are you seeing? Let's call this a valley. Are you seeing the valley? You're gonna see that price touched the downer bands. Price came inside the bands. Third price came the same direction. You know, first price touches the bands. Second price goes inside the bands, and third price goes above the second price, which is the same direction where the trend is moving. That's a very good enough confirmation for you as a beginner trader out there. Though sometimes the market, even if you get a very good confirmation, yes, this happens a lot, true, mainly when the market is bad, and the markets are not good, it happens a lot. You're gonna find out that you've got a very good information, and then all of a sudden you get a pullback or manipulation in the market, the price, in the direction, you know. And that happens a lot, mainly in these crazy days. That happens a lot, you know. And then we're still in the uptrend. Let's try to see if it goes still up. Okay, here it comes. There's a price gap there. Price jumped right there, but it's moving in the same direction. You know, are you seeing this? You're gonna see that the direction is still the same. Come on, don't reject this. Come on, continue, baby. Come on, nice. Go. Woo! Damn. Hand of applause, guys. Hand of applause. We are almost reaching our target. Nice. Come on. Come on, this is what I'm saying. Come on, baby. Woo! What a beautiful moment here. What a beautiful moment, guys. What a beautiful moment, you know. This is what I'm talking about. This is a beautiful moment, guys. Look at that. Damn. Finally, we have reached out. Finally, we have made it out, you know. This is what we call reaching your target. And you even get more than what you wished for. Anyway, we began a rough journey. We had some crazy risks here. And please, guys, this is a disclaimer, guys. Do not risk what you cannot afford to lose, because the market is crazy. The market is crazy and can be crazy. What is happening here right now? We have done the $1 challenge and we have made it out beautiful. Though we began in a risky way, but it was nice. I'm happy. True. I'm overwhelmed, you know. Thanks, guys. Please don't risk everything now. I'm afraid. Oh, blessed. He's crazy afraid, yeah. Anyway, the market is not easy, guys. The market is not easy. So, guys, now tell me. Let's talk. Let's have a talk, guys. Let's have a talk. What's not happening? What's not happening? Let's talk. What's not happening? Bob. 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 I know him in Johnny English. Bob. Bob. Oh, what do you mean? What I'm trying to mean is what are the problems you're finding in the market? Why? What are the problems that you find in the market? What are the hinders that you find in the market when you're trading daily? What what comes out and you not getting out nice? Like, what is the problem? What is making you not make it out? You know, Mia isn't here. She and Susie are missing a lot. I know. I think they're having holidays. I think they're having holidays. I miss them too, by the way. The market has been kicking my ass, bro. I know. The market is crazy. It's been killing everyone, you know. The market has been crazy for everyone, and right now, actually, right now it's a general thing right now. Why? Because it's all about the orange guy, you know, and he has been doing this for almost like now we are entering 4 months since he began this war, you know, and this war has hindered everyone. If the price has been crashing down everywhere, BTC, Solana, BNB. Right now, everything has been crashing down. But anyway, I have a saying that says, "Buy low, sell high." Use that. Buy low, sell high. You know, risk management, bro. True. Risk management also pulls out a lot of people. Risk management, guys. I remember telling you guys the best way to find out how to beat risk management here is the best way to beat out risk management, guys. Let's say you're having example. Let's say I'm having $50 as my capital there. Let's invest $10 or two or five. If you go that 50 to 100, take back the 50 to the safe, come back, start again afresh. If you can make at least 200 from that 50, that is enough. Stop there. Don't go again. If you can make 200 from that 50, stop there. Come back the next day. Do that same thing the next day. Get a notebook. Get a notebook. I have a notebook myself. I have a notebook myself. I get my notebook. I get my pencil, and I'll write down what I need. You know, I'll write down what I need. I'll say today I want 200. Tomorrow I want 250. Next day I want 300. Like that. And you're going to find out that in that week if you made 200, 250, 250, each day you're adding 50, you're going to find out you've made almost something like 2K to 3K. Do I agree with you? Do we agree each other? Are we together? So that's what's up, you know. That's it. If you can do that, then well and all blessed, you know. Anyway, let's go for the contest, guys. Let's go for the contest. Let's wish the best of luck to all contestants in here. Wishing them the best of luck, you know. 5, 3, 3, 1, 2. That's why I said my target is so low. True, they look like a small target, but those targets, if you handle them in a bundle, that's a big target. They look like small targets in a day, $100 in a day, $50 in a day. They look like small targets. But if you handle those small targets in a bundle like this for a week, that's a big target. This is simple psychology, guys. This is simple psychology, guys. You know, for someone who has made 2K in one day and lost the whole 2K the next day, you're better than that. You're better than that guy. I've made 2K today as my target. Tomorrow I lose the 2K because I'll try to make 4K. You know, for someone who has made 100 every day, you're better than someone who has lost the whole 4K. You're better. And you're going to find out you're all the same. Because the person who has lost 4K is trying to make back again 1K. And by the end of the week, he's having 2K and you're having 2K. We're all the same. I don't know if it's me or anyone else can attest to see this. I'm going good at taking bad trades, and if the market is messy with me, everything. Good luck, everyone. Yes, good luck, everyone. It's bad, but bro just ran up 60K in this market. This is what I do. This is what I do. Grabbing 60K in one day, you don't know. 60K in one day. Crazy. Okay, let's go for the contestants. Right now we're having Gerard here. I was 3 attempts. Let's go for Gerard. 3 attempts, wishing him the best of luck. Wishing the best of luck to everyone here. Anyway, everybody has the best day, okay? Everybody has a good day. So, don't feel like you're going to stay stuck in that bad day. Just know that good days are coming. Let's wait for the good days. First attempt we were in. I see Cameroon as a risk taker. He just built to take the risk and back the market. He's aggressive with his trades. He can be aggressive. Cameroon, is it right? Tell us. He wants to bag the whole jackpot in one day. Ha! And run. And retire. And that's why the market is refusing to give you the jackpot, because the market is looking at you saying, this guy wants to retire from me, you know? Instead of giving him a jackpot, let me take it off. The market will just grab you in the choke and choke you, eh? You just grab you in the chokehold and take you off, you know? Bro, keep the streak up. Yes, so let's go. The streak. We're having a beautiful streak in here. We're having a beautiful streak, guys. Let's go with the streak. One more. Let's go. If you think Cameroon is a risk taker, you don't want to know. What are you saying is the most risk taker here? Poro is the guy who is a risk taker in here. He wants all in. You know, when you go to the casino, they'll be like, are you calling? or you're taking half. And these are the guys who go to the table and what we call the blackjack, and they'll be like, all in, all in. All of a sudden, the dealer takes you out. The game I think I can play in the casino, I think it's the roulette. Do you know, guys? You guys know the roulette? And whenever I go there, I only pick either black or red. I don't pick numbers. I pick black or red. Why? Because those colors have almost 50% chance of hitting. What I call a probability of a half. So there are two colors. There are three colors. Sorry, they have this green, but green is only one, and green hitting is having a chance of it's 1 out of 1. Like it's green. The color, the chances of green to hit they're really low, but the chances of red or black to hit, they're high. They're 50-50. And so whenever I go to the roulette, I always pick black or red. But I've taken time without going there. I've taken a little bit of time without going back to the casino. You know, I was only there back in the days with my friends. Whenever I would go for the crazy vacations, we pass by the casino and test out our mindsets. You know, bro is a menace. He tries to invest and gambles. It's money. As long as it's money, it's money. As long as it's money, it's money, bro. You know, as long as it's money, it's money. You want to be a millionaire, you can't be a millionaire when you're doing only one job. Can you? And you can't be a millionaire. There's a term says legal, illegally, money is money. 50 Cent says it all. Get rich or die trying. So if it's not me, who else will do that? I've seen people hitting jackpots in casinos. What if I hit a jackpot one day? I'll go there. What if I hit a jackpot? It'll be the craziest day. It'll be the craziest day of my life, you know? Gold is becoming messy here. Gold is becoming really messy. But the only thing that I know right here that is assured is the investment. When you get something out of the market, invest that money out there, because investment is something that is really, 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 really. You always get your money on time, and it's assured. You know, it's assured. It's always coming out back because it's an investment. That's me. I invested in real estate, and I'm expecting that to come out all the time. I'm expecting to get a notification from my bank. I'm expecting all the time to get a notification from my bank because hey, that's what I did, you know. But the taxes are crazy. Gold is becoming messy right here. I failed to get the last attempt in here, but let's see. Let's keep on watching and see. Though the price is dropping downwards, but it's dropping downwards in a crazy vibe. Let's go right here. I feel the bottoms, they're coming back upwards. Woo! Kongs, Gerard. Kongs, Gerard. Kongs, brother. That's nice. What do they say? Bro, be shooting dice on the corner. I found guys shoot dice, but I don't play dice. I just look, like I come and I watch and I see how they're doing it, but I don't play. I don't play dice. But I enjoy how they play it, and it's interesting actually. It's interesting, you know. Dice is so interesting. But I just watch them whenever I'm moving on the streets and I find some guys playing dice. Okay, I'll stand and I'll be like, wow, okay, that's interesting. Oh, sorry. It's for Gerard. But it's mine. Let's go for Bob. You want to, okay? What I was saying, you're forgetting he's a singer. I just love the vibes. I just love the vibes. I just love the vibes, you know. And then Kongs, Gerard. Kongs. Don't ever play if it's not in your hood. I can't play. I can't play dice. I can't play dice. I can't play dice. I can't play dice. It's more risky and the chances are way too low. The chances are way too low. I want something that has good chances, you know. You know, us as traders, we also have our own gambles that we do. Whenever with the crew, we have a gamble whereby we be like, let's bet. If gold wakes up on Monday or Sunday at a high price, you're giving me this. If it doesn't, I'm giving you this. You know, we also do that between us traders, like verbal gambling. And whenever it comes out and I've lost, I have to pay. I pay out. I pay. If I win, they pay. So we also do that as traders. Like we risk every day. We risk every chance we get. We can risk. You know, it's all about risking. It's all about risking. Cameroon with the dice. Cameroon, do you play dice? Cameroon, do you play dice? Like, this is fishy. This is a fishy uptrend. Let's go right here. Na, na. Oh yeah. Hit, beautiful. Beautiful. Let's go again. I wanna body, oh my, oh man, alright. I'm gonna picture it, baby, feel right. Imagine touching, makes me feel right. Hell no, seen too many people get hurt, true. And it's all about the profits, it's all about the winnings. Start small, get big, and all of a sudden, shots out, shots fired. So, start small, goes big, and all of a sudden you hear shots, you know. So the hood dice, that's what has done into the black neighborhood. The black neighborhood dice has hurt a lot of people. I go every time, there's just a red time. I'm here every time, so that's a long time. Gippy Mark said hi. Hey Gippy Mark, thanks for joining. How are you doing? Why are you late? Guys, let's like the stream. Let's like the stream. I wanna see liking the stream. Let's like the stream. Okay, hold on. Let's see. $19,999. Only $1 to make 2K. So Bob, hope you've seen that. I'm gonna give you this. I won't go for the $1. Hope you've seen that. You know, that was points. 1,999. Kongs, Bob, Kongs. Yes, for those who want to join the contest, the link is right down in the description. Don't forget about that. And don't forget about your wallet. Please attach them in the message box. Let's go for Rivers. Let's go for Rivers. Dang, 5 attempts. What the fuck? What am I trying to do? Johnny make me pay. No, you'll never stay. Johnny make me. I wanna die. Yay. To love you till the end. Ooh. Having a pullback right here. Let's go with the pullback here. Price has done a pull right there, and it's coming back downwards. Come on, don't go back up. Drop it, baby. Don't go back. Don't go back. Don't be fishy. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was nice. That was actually beautiful. That was nice, actually. That's what we call good luck. That right there, that's what we call luck. You know, someone has luck on them. Too close. That was a too close motion, you know. I was born to stay. I was born to stay. Price is just dropping downwards. Let's go. Second attempt. Nice. Let's go for the third attempt. In summertime, it's just the way that I like it. Summertime, it's a big The summertime. It's just the way that I like it. The summertime. Okay, let's go. In the summertime, this is just the way that I like it. Come on, shoot it. Oh, oh. Come on. Oh my God. That was what we call. Oh my days. Market is trying to shoot it out, sir. Okay, let's go for the last attempt right here. The market is trying to bull us. The market is teasing, but no problem. We are strong. We are risk takers. That's our mission here. We are the bulls. Right here, let's go. That's a very good pull back. It out. Oh, how many attempts were those? One more attempt. Do I have one more? Oh, that's the last one. I don't know. One more. We want 5 attempts, okay? 5 attempts for reverse. Okay, 5 attempts. One more. That was the 4th. One more attempt. I thought I'm done. Oh my days. I'm sweating now. Actually. I'm really sweating right now. Christmas. I'm expecting a reversal in here. Let's see. Not confirmed. Buys are still in. Let's go with the buy. Buys are still in. Let's go. Everything's going down with you. I hate to say, baby, but everything's going down with you. Shake. Shake the table. Shake, guys. Kongs. Okay. We were tested right there. Our TRC20. Okay, thank you. Damn, that's a big bag, by the way. That's a big bag. That's a big bag for you. Don't spend it in one place, okay? Don't spend that in one place. Go take some biggest out. I hate to say, baby, but everything's going down. Let's go for Maxwell, my good G, my OG. He only wants 1 attempt. Everything's going down. It's sick for me and you. In this movie before. Check this. Woo! Baby. Baby. We're gonna get back on our feet. And it's gonna be alright. Baby. It's gonna be alright. Nice. Let's show this. Nice. Let's go with the downtrend. Let's go. Come on. price is testing us. This was the test right there. James, look at this, guys, look at that. And the downtrend is still moving on. That's the market for you. And let's go again. First attempt is on me. Let's go again. The first attempt is on me. That was a big manipulation right there. If you look at that, it was a very big manipulation. Price came down, good confirmation there, and it's still moving downwards here. You know, so weird, so crazy in here. And let's go again. Right here, let's go. If you can see that in the bands, get a very good confirmation the trend is still on. Look at that. That's a very good confirmation that the downtrend is still moving on. Beautiful. Such a weird move. It showed a huge rejection at the top. True. There was a huge rejection, and the price, guess what? It decided to manipulate us before. After the rejection, it decided to give us a manipulation there, and it got a gap there. But that's the market, and it's trying to fuck with us, you know. Anyway, we are here strong. We didn't come here to play games. We're in here strong. Kongs Maxwell. That's beautiful. Every day from 0 to 60. If you say what goes up must come down if I wanna fly. What goes up must come down if I wanna fly. Front cats, 1K, one attempt. It's a beautiful downtrend if you look at that. From 0 to 50. Come on. Why are you reversing that shit? Let's go again. Okay, confirmed right here. Let's go with the buys. Confirmed, very good. Let's go. Come on. What the fuck has just happened, guys, right there? Oh my days. It's hard enough to find the kind of stuff that won't go. Oh my days.
It's not good for you. Well, they say it's a real thing, but I've never seen it, and I don't believe it, and I won't believe it. And they say that bitch is fake, but I don't.
This is crazy, guys. This is really crazy. Look at that. It's just. It only takes 1 second for you to go out. It only takes 1 second. It only takes for you 1 second to go out. Only 1 second. Only 1 second for you to go out. Don't forget about that. And the market will discipline you. And the way discipline me right now, this is what we call discipline in the market. Oh my days. That was crazy. Don't get, I'm really sorry about that. I'm really fucking sorry about that. The market ain't on your side. Next time better. Go settle things with your goods. I've just seen witchcraft. I know it was pure witchcraft, like, you know, like out of the blue. There comes in a strong week, and it's really strong. It takes you out of the blue in just 1 second, you know. On a sheet. You don't have to turn a sheet. You don't have to turn a sheet. For you. Look at that. I wonder when I was eternity. La, 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 la. One more. He wants 1.5. Just go back to him. I never know what I'm gonna do. If I have to go see. Last attempt. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's go. Kongs. Beautiful. That's what you call a beautiful Kongs, yeah? So let's go. 1.5. Ooh. Let's climb this tree. Ooh, come on, don't do the same shit here. Oh, beautiful. That came out nice. Though it was too close. Beautiful, nice. One more. Sue is in the house. Hey Sue, how are you? Thanks for joining in. Doing good. How about you? Baby, baby, baby. No, 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 no. Good, bro. Are you gonna watch the World Cup matches? I'm not really, not really. I'm a fan of football, but I don't go deep into football. I'm a fan of the market. I'm a fan of the market. I love watching the market. Though I've heard news about Mexico and SA. How are they doing? How is that? Did Mexico come out nice? Mexico, my friends from Mexico. Beautiful. That was nice. Kongs Luther. Mexico won. Yes, Mexico. I left Mexico in a good 1-0. And I love Mexico the way they did that. I love Mexico. Who are you supporting? I'm supporting Mexico. Ooh, how I know. Love it pending. Hold on. Yeah. Oh. I guess it's just like us girls to act helpless. It's hard not to let compliments in, but I won't let that happen again. No, I won't let that happen again. Damn, still pending. And I know everything for me. Yeah. At least the final you should go and watch. I don't think so, but I'll see. I'll try and see. But I don't think so. Actually, the whole of my group, we don't watch soccer. We don't watch soccer. But did you finally buy the yacht? Not yet. But it's on my bucket list. It's on my list. It's on my bucket list. It's on my list. I need it ASAP. It's on my bucket list. The yacht is on my bucket list. I need it. Though it's a risk taker. It's a risk taker. Because the moment you get the yacht, don't forget about the fees, cleaning fees, parking fees, docking fees. So don't forget about all those fees. Fuel. So once you get the yacht, don't forget about the fees, you know. Bro could buy one now. I know, yes, true. I could buy now one, but if you're an investor, there's what we call, you're supposed to calculate at sea, you know. There's what we call, you should calculate the things you're going to invest in there. Like, okay, you can buy now, right? True, but now what we call maintenance, you know. Of course, as an investor, you count all that, you know. All you have to know, buying an asset that is going to spend money is like getting a lady from the streets. And let's go for Somben. On the sunset, ha ha ha. He wants 4 attempts. Let's go. First time we're in. We are in for the first attempt. Here we go. Hey.
Stuck in a mindset, dreaming of the sunset. I want to feel it all. She's been taking me home. I want to feel it all.
How can you love me? Third attempt. Let's go.
Do you think to make me on the beach? Do you want to meet me on the beach? Do you want to meet me on the beach? I'm waiting for the sunset, sunset.
Oh, oh, sunset, sunset. Cameroon say go hell now. What's wrong, Cameroon? Wow. One more attempt. One more. Anyway, that was close one there. One more attempt. Go. Cameroon, don't you want to meet me on the beach? Meet me on the beach. The fuck type of singing you're doing? It's called the happy mood singing. Happy mood singing. Happy moods only. Happy moods, brother. Take some puff for me. Take some puffs for me. Come on. Come on. Beautiful, beautiful. Come on, let's go. Build a fool. Build a fool. Yes, that's how we call it. I met a girl. My dog was a hound. How do you feel? How do you feel this? How do you guys feel this jam? How do you guys feel that jam? Feel that jam? The pickup truck was a Chevy, and the dog was a moose. And I feeling like if I never see me. This kind of life is what I want. Just like a big thing go. Nice, let's go again. 3 attempts. Okay. It's the kind of time when I never see the It's the kind of moment. Look at that here. Let's continue that downtrend right here. Good confirmation inside the bands. You're gonna see that the price is moving downwards. Unless you see a bar touching up. Oh, come on, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Fuck. We only wanted 1 more second for us to hit that. Sorry about that, brother. Let's go for the last contestant. Last contestant, Magneto.
Let it happen naturally. Go and let it happen naturally. It doesn't have to be. So many ways to be in love.
So many ways. Somebody don't get good, every games.
Some say they love 2 or 3 or 4.
I'm gonna risk it right here. Nice, continue. Drop it down. Nah. Hey, that's a draw. Oh my God, gold is becoming crazy here. Gold is becoming crazy. Gold is becoming crazy. Choppy in here. Hold on. That was a draw. Gold is want to mess me out. Okay, it's an uptrend. One more, let's go.
Didn't say goodbye to his kid or his wife. He'll be back in a minute, maybe a day. They found him dead in the water. They say it was foul play. The sun's so hot.
The sun goes down. And move. Shake the tree. Shake the mango tree. Kongs, brother, Kongs. The sun's so bright. TRC 20, of course. Wonderful. That was wonderful today. We got some beautiful trades today. That was wonderful for today. I've enjoyed it. I don't know if you guys have enjoyed that. And I don't know if you guys have got something about today. Ooh. Congratulations to everyone who has made it out nice. And hey, next time better for those who have not made it out. Pretty sure about today. The market is always like that. We just have to keep on moving forward. And don't forget, quitters never win. And winners never quit. Okay? Facebook Inc. is what we call stocks. For those who have been in the stocks, I don't know if you guys have done some articles, some stock markets. Now let's see how the Facebook Inc. is going. They put this at 200. We have Facebook Inc. We have out of our stocks in here. We have Apple, and they all have good payouts in here. You know, they all have 8.92%, 87. They're good payouts. We have Apple, Cisco, Intel, Pfizer, Netflix, VIX, Alibaba, Microsoft, Amazon, and they all are okay. The best payouts are stopping on McDonald's. You know, and let's go with that Facebook Inc. and see. Pull up a tune. Our stocks are very stable. New York session, true. New York session stocks are very okay because hey, they are live. You know, stocks can be okay. Nice pull up right there. Nice pull up. You know, so those are the stocks. There's also what we call indices. Where the indices are right here. Although the only index that I love here is the Oz 200. The only index that I love here is Oz 200 because the way it moves also gives good structures in here. So I love that. Not like the way it's moving here. It's on the downtrend. Let's double shot it right here. Double shot. Beautiful. Anyway, let me stop here, guys. Let me say good night. Let me say good evening. Let me say good morning to everyone who has been here. Let me say bye-bye, you know. Thanks, guys, for being around. Thank you guys for being around here. Let's meet again tomorrow, same time, same tune, same guy, you know, different market. Anyway, we'll be here testing out different strategies and different market ideas. So thanks for coming. Let's not miss tomorrow, okay? Wishing the best for everyone.